y'all see these curls or no? These curls is popping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you've reached Trisha and I go by Glam IT. Do y'all see these popping curls? What? I'm about to show you my twist out routine. I will show you all the products and I will also show you how to twist your hair during the video so that you can achieve these curls. I mean, my goodness, do y'all see these curls? I love them so much. Guys, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get started with this twist out video. My nails are still looking raggedy due to COVID-19. Ugh, I want to get my nails done so bad. So the leave-in conditioner that I'm actually using is this. This is the Shea Moisture. This is the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to be using this curl enhancing smoothie. So I use the curl enhancing smoothie, and then I also use this Nourish and Shine. This is a restorative butter, and I use this on the ends of my twist out. And then I'm also using this Aunt Jackie's. This is the Don't Shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel. So these are the products that I'm going to be using today for my twist out. So you're going to need those for your twist out, and then you're also going to need a handy dandy computer, because when you're doing a twist out it takes a while, so you may want to put on like one of your shows or something to watch while you're doing the twist out. That's what I do. And then I also have these nice little snacky wackies. So I need to re-wet my hair. So I have my water bottle. And when you're doing a twist out, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and wet. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with the leave-in conditioner. Oops. Let me scoot back just a little bit. Okay, that was a little bit too close to the camera. It's up close and personal, honey. So let's start off with this leave-in conditioner. So I put my leave-in conditioner one section at a time. I just put a nice healthy amount in my hair. I normally do 2, 4, 6, and I may do an 8th one up here. What I'm going to do now is I want to go ahead and section it off. You can use a rat tail comb if you need to. I just use my finger to section off an area, and that's about enough. I'm going to next start off with my curl enhancing smoothie, and I am almost out of it. I have another jar over here just in case I run out. So you're going to put a nice amount of the curl enhancing smoothie in that section. So after you've done that, you're going to add your Nourish and Shine restorative butter, and you're only going to put that on the ends of the hair. Now, I've been using this method because I follow Minnie Marley here on YouTube. I'll link her name below, but she gives really good tips on products and how to style your hair. You can already see like the curl definition just from putting those two products on. And last but not least, what I do is I use the Don't Shrink. I'm running out of this product as well. I use this and I put this at the roots of my hair. So once that section is complete, I just part it in half with my fingers and then I'll start twisting. And you're gonna see that product. And then at the end, you're just gonna kind of coil it. And then I take that product off of there and I add it over here. And I do another twist. What I love about this combination is it does not leave any flaking in your hair. So when I show y'all the results, it's amazing. Okay, and then just twist this. Okay. And so here I have 2 twists. I'm gonna make another section. And that should be good. Put this under here. And then I'm just gonna repeat those steps. So the first thing is your curl enhancing smoothie. I can't find, don't let the sun go down. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that butter on the ends. And then I'm gonna take the gel. Once that is saturated, I am going to part it. I'm gonna just part it right there. And I'll make 2 twists. In one section. I like to go back and check my twists to make sure that they look good. So as I'm looking, I see that they all look pretty juicy. So let's go ahead and start off with the next section. Go ahead and start on this side and then I'll finish up that side. And in the front, what I like to do is I like to part it about 3 times here. And then when I get to this section, I'm gonna come forward because I like to have bangs. If y'all see me, I'm recording and I'm gonna put this on the video too. If y'all see me smiling or laughing, it's because my besties are on the phone. We're on 3-way right now and we are video chatting, so. Yeah.
It's like, I mean, the beauty shops aren't open. I have no help right now.
You just came here for that? Love you. Now that does take some time, I ain't even gonna lie. So like I said at the beginning of the video, get you some snacks, get you a show to watch, because you're gonna spend some time twisting your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and let these set and dry overnight, and I will be back on tomorrow to show you how these twists came out. So as you can see, the twists are done and they are dry. It's the next day. I just basically slept on it overnight. I put a bonnet on and just let these twists do their thing. They are all nice and dry. Let me show you the products that I am going to use to take these twists out. So I do use 2 products, and that is this Grape Seed Oil, and I also use the Main Choice. This is a hair growth oil. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this this growth oil, and what I like to do, guys, still the nails horrible, so please let's just ignore those. What I do is I take this growth oil and I just run it down the middle of that part. And then I'll do this section as well, and this section. Once I've done that, I just kind of massage it in my hair. I just put some oil on my scalp. And then what I do with the grapeseed oil is, as I'm taking my twist, I'm just gonna put just a pump of the grapeseed oil, and I just get my hands just nice and oily. So as I'm taking the twist out, I just rub the twist like this before I take it out. So I'll show y'all with this one right here. So basically I'm rubbing that oil on the twist, and then I just go the opposite direction that I actually twisted the hair, and then I carefully break it apart. So this is how it comes out. This is what it looks like unraveled so far, and then let's go ahead and get started on this side. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Okay, so I've taken out the twist, and as I'm looking like Curly Sue here, I want to make sure that I have a cute style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apart the twist now. So let me kind of show y'all how I'm gonna do it, because I'm gonna start with the back. So let me just start with one of these. So here's one of the twists. What I do is I just kind of look to see where it naturally separates. So as you can see, you can kind of tell where it naturally separates. And then I'm just gonna separate. It looks probably like about 2 or 3 separations. So that's gonna be the separation of one of the twists. So. Let's go. So this is basically what the twist out is looking like, and I have not even picked it out, but you can see the kind of volume I have with this twist out, and I have not even picked it out. I haven't done anything, basically. All I did was unravel the twist. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of styling with my pick. When you style for volume, you want to just pick from the roots. Give it a little, shake, a little shimmy shake here and there. But basically this is how my twist outs come out. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have any compliments, leave them in the comments below. And if you have anything that y'all can teach me, leave them in the comments below. So I hope y'all have a great day today. Don't forget to check out my previous videos, which is my wash day videos, and I also did a pre-poo video. So y'all take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay at home, and I'm about to get out of here.